Hello YouTube, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing really well. This video marks the beginning of the series related to the cooking skills. In this particular video, I'm going to share with you the recipe of the black chickpeas, also known as a kala chana, which is one of my family favorite food. So I thought I should share this recipe with you. So let's start. So the very first step is we will take around 1.5 bowls of the black chickpeas, or you can call it kala chana, and we will soak it for around 5 to 6 hours, or you can soak it for overnight as well. So after soaking for 5 to 6 hours, it should be like this. Now we have to wash it off. Now we will boil it. I will add some potatoes. Need to add some water. Add some salt according to your taste. Let it boil until you hear 5 to 6 whistles. Now it's time to make dough for puri. As you can see, I took some wheat flour. You can take according to your requirement. I will add some cumin seeds, 3 to 4 spoons of desi ghee, or you can say purified butter, some salt and water. As you can see, I put some cumin seeds. Now I will add that ghee. I will add a pinch of salt, and then we have to knead it softly. As you can see, the dough is ready, so it shouldn't be neither too soft nor too hard, and you have to leave it for half an hour. For curry, as you can see, I took 2 medium size of onion, 2 big tomatoes. Here some green chili. Green chili is completely optional. Some ginger and 1 clove of garlic. And how we can forget the dry spices. So here I take 2 dry chilies, some pepper, cloves, green cardamom and 1 cinnamon. Now let's see whether the kala chana is properly cooked. As you can see, it's properly cooked. So now we are ready to fry our kala chana. We have chopped onion, garlic and ginger paste, tomato puree and our spices. Now we will add around 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Now we will add some cumin seeds, our spices, time to add our ginger and garlic paste. Now we will add chopped onion. And we will fry them until it turns brown. As you can see, now onion is a bit brown. We will add tomato puree in this. Once the tomato done, then we will add garam masala, coriander powder, some dry mango powder and chana masala also. Now we will add some Kashmiri mirch. That is completely optional. If you want, you can add that. Let it cook for 1 minute. Now time to add water. Now let's boil it. Once it's boiled, then we will add mashed potato in that. After boiling, I'm going to add those mashed potatoes and our black chana. Now we will mix it. Now put it back into the cooker and wait for one whistle. Add some chopped coriander leaves. Now I'm going to add some dry fenugreek leaves. So for puri, I took oil in the pan, let it heat up. Now I'm going to add, just move it slowly, and then turn it. So here we go, our black chickpeas, puri, everything is ready. Now it's ready to eat. You can have it in your breakfast, in your dinner, with the salad, and here is the mango pickle. I hope you will like the recipe, so please do share your comments. If you want me to further improve my recipe, please don't hesitate. Please share your views with me. Till then, take care of yourself. Enjoy the recipe. Bye bye.